Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. So I got asked a question about how do you know if your blower motor is going bad. Well, I'm going to show you. I'm in this beautiful 96 GMC Sierra truck. It smells like an ashtray in here. Absolutely disgusting. But anyway, if you turn the blower motor on, you should be able to hear some kind of a noise, a whining noise. And usually the whining noise will slow down when you turn it off, and you'll hear it like squeak, 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 squeak as it stops. Let me show you an example, or give you an example. Hang on. Up under the dash here, and let me turn it on for you. Just listen really carefully. You might be able to hear it. Can you hear that? And then you turn it off. You hear how gently it turns off? Just a gentle squeak. Well, let me do it again. Yeah, so I got a funny feeling your blower motor's going bad. I think you hit the nail on the head there, sir. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.